Bird peppers are known to use in Jamaica when you don't have your regular Scotch bonnet peppers. But this is a big tree that has been cut down because it's run over the roses. But nevertheless, yeah, the bird peppers, they're hot in us as much as they're tiny. They carry up, they pack a punch. You see how golden and beautiful they are? Is that one just falling off? Look at that. Yeah, man, bird pepper is known. I think some people call it chili pepper. In some countries they call them chili peppers. But yeah, bird pepper is one of the part of our culture. Well as the little Scotch bonnet. This is on Sally's farm. As well as the Scotch bonnet. You see the Scotchy? So everybody has a Scotch bonnet, no matter what. Everybody have a Scotch bonnet pepper in their garden. Look, you can see that this is gonna be hot. Scotch bonnet pepper. Oh look, there's a ripe one. Oh no, and it look like something eat it. You see? It look like something eat it. We're gonna pick that and see. Check the smell of it. But yeah, see? Scotchy on Sally's farm. And look, you've got sweet peppers as well. It's got a lot of things going on this little farm. So look, there's more Scotch bonnet. But I'm gonna take you over today. There's more Scotch bonnet. There's a lot of peppers. And the okras is there. See? So from Donna's garden, from Donna's garden to Sally's garden, growing peppers and a lot of stuff. I'll show you more. If you've never known how ginger is grown, this is a ginger bush here growing up. And when you pick off the leaf, you know, and smell it, you can smell the ginger. And ooh, strong. So it's gonna be very strong ginger. Get butternut squash on the fence. Yeah, you can see where the okra is. The yam running over. That's yam. This is a yam hill. Can you imagine when this yam dig up? A whole heap of yam gonna be in this one, you know. Yeah, man. And you see potato. Look, potato blossoming. See the potato blossom. You never see the potato blossom before? That's the potato blossom. Yes. But I'm taking you to see the rest of the bird pepper. Because it's a big tree, but it grows on both sides of the fence. If you can see how tall the tree is. It grows, see? The tree grows over that side. And look, see some here. Over that side. And there's some here as well. Goes over on that side. And then you got lots of aloe vera. You see the aloe vera? So from Donna's garden to Sally's garden, I'm just showing you bits and pieces. Aloe vera. They're pretty and healthy, isn't it? It's the weather. Out here is the weather, you know. The weather gives you everything. There's another yam hill there, and it's gonna go up. And it's running all over on the fence. That's a banana. Tangerine over here. Look, there's tangerine on the. You know tangerine or mandarin? Is it tangerine or mandarin? They're not ready yet. Planting up there, so you see planting there. And there's a banana. There's a big banana down there over that side. Even pineapple you get at Sally's. So you see the pineapple? If you can see, yeah. Pineapple there and a big sweet potato field. And look at these bananas. These bananas are so, look at those bananas. It's gonna be some, I'm planting a banana. The banana are big in it. Look, they're beautiful, man. Look how they form. The fingers just form nice right there. I don't know if it's banana or planting. I'll have to check it out. I'm going to take you down to, this is a nestberry tree, but there's no nestberry in there at the moment. This is a massive, big field, guys. Massive, massive. So I'm taking you, this is a soursop. There's none in the tree that I could show you. There is none. But you know the benefits of soursop. There's young ones, but there's no massive soursop. Ooh, a nice breeze just blew. A nice breeze just blew. And this is a, you know, the avocado tree. Look, there's one here. That's the avocado. Look. Avocado here. Massive avocado. Massive, massive avocado. Look, they're big. I think they're the agriculture type, but they're massive, man. Jesus, I wonder if I could bring one over and it ripe. I'm gonna try now. And then there's a lot of cows across there. See cows. Let's go up and have a look on the other stuff. Let's give you a tour from Sally's garden to Donna's garden, or Donna's garden. And there is the star fruit. There's star fruit there. Star fruit. Oh, let me bring you back to this mushroom. I think my friend Nicola has yeah, there's a mushroom here that grows from the wood, and she was right. It grows from the wood. It's so unusual. You see? This is so unusual. I had to stop and think, hey, see, if let's take one off and see. Pick one. I don't think it's edible, but hey, that's it. That's a mushroom. There's a bug here. What type of bug is that? There's some, you see them? Oh gosh. You hear the bird chirping. You see him? Chirping away. Coconuts, good for you. Coconut, good for you. Look, there is the, hear the bird. There's the star fruits. There's another one here. There's a lot of star fruits, and they make beautiful drinks in a way. See what happened when you live in Jamaica, you have all these fruit trees. You forget that you have them, you don't even have time for them, you know. But a lot of wastage, definitely. And this is a lantana tree. Look at the lantana, which is so good for so medicinal, so much medicinal purposes. Okay. This is a tree. And I see the little seeds that they grow. I'm taking you over to the apple tree. You can see the apple tree. Ooh. I tell you, the apple is wasting, guys. So much apple under the tree. And I tell you, see, look under the tree. Look at apple. Apple like nothing. Look there. There's a lot of apple. But you know, it's not one of my favorite though, you know. It's not one of my favorite. Not at all. It is not one of my favorite at all, but it's a lot of wastage here. And look at these ones. Look how massive they are. They're so big. And as I said, there's something eating. You have to come back and have a look. There's so much. I think it's only one side that bare this time. There's a lot of trees and lizard. Look at the lizard. Look at that lizard. whatever. I think that's just a little poly lizard. But you know, the green lizard, them, growth lizard, we afraid of them. We afraid of them so much. I don't know if you see there's no gooseberry up in that tree. But yeah, and the palm tree, that makes it looks really good. Yeah, apples on the ground. So let me take you around the sides and show you some of those. Oh, I'm gonna show you some guava and some June plums, coconut on the ground. As I said, it's a massive place, guys. This was our Sally's rose garden, but she gave it up. It was too much. Nice croton flowers. Hear the birds chirping. Yeah, man. Ooh, guava. Remember, did you see the purple guava down the bottom? This is a normal guava, but they're young. They're not ready yet. You see, these are the young guavas. They're not ready. There's none on the tree to eat. You can see that they grow even low down. A lot of things grow very low down here. And then you have the June plums. Yeah, June plums to make June plum juice. June plum, eat with salt. That is nice as well. June plum, eat with salt. Guava. Yeah, man. If you can see the tree then, much better now. See, as I said, everything grow very low down. See? Very low down. Right, let's go and see the plants at the front. You can see, giving you a good tour of fruits and veg. Yeah, nice plants, lantana plants in the lantana plants in the tires. There's some there. These are the original colors. That's what we know of. But you know, it's very healthy and good, rich in medicinal purposes. That's a good, nice color there. And then the seed, we used to eat the little seed when they're ripe. You see the seed? We used to eat the seed. Yeah. There's another color here. So you got loads of different colors. This is the bright yellow by itself. Yeah, and the pink. And then yellow by itself. And then there's the white. And then there's the orange, which is what we used to when we were growing up. Sally plant, pineapple, scallion, rosemary, ginger, and what's the other one? It's another one there, ginger and yeah, peppers. Definitely, they got a big mint tree here. See, mint, good for you. And sweet sap. Oh, look at sweet sap. You ever see sweet sap before? If you never see it, see no. And this is from the same family of soursop. When it's ripened, it has the seed inside. You just eat off the flesh off the seed. But this one is pretty young. You see that? That's a young one. Very much a young one. Oh, this one looks like it's fit. You see this one up here? You can tell. Let me show you. So it's fit. It's soon ripe. You see that one there? It's soon ripe. See one up there, soon ripe. Quite a few of them look like they're opening up. You see? They're opening up. So this is what it looks like when it's near to be ready. Hold on, I'm trying to get it for you so you can see. When it's getting ready, that's what it looks like. Ouch! And then there's mango up in the tree. This is Julie mango. Woo. And hold on. And there's a mango, but the bird has picked it out. I'm gonna cut it off and eat it. Lots of flowers there. And chocho and passion fruit. Makes good juice, definitely. Let's go around the front, the side. And this is a cherry. What's an American cherry? It's up here. Let me show you. I never remember if we're going to the orchid house. Go show you the orchid house. So this is what the orchid. It's another orchid house. And plants you can buy. Yeah. Oh my God, I'm tired already. Seriously. Lots of succulents. Breadfruit tree, you know, breadfruit tree, look at it. Massive. And then here goes the garden. So I'm taking a little stroll and I'm done. Literally done. Oh, there's a plant up here that you need to see. I think it comes out. I think it's out now. Oh, yeah. No, I think you see them much better in the evening. Look, see? I think you see them. They're really nice borders. Aren't they pretty? They're very pretty, isn't it? They're very, very pretty. Very pretty. Oh. I just saw, I think it's a colour lily. And these are I have the mind line on me, can't remember their name right now. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Yeah. Ooh. Oh gosh. I am. Can you imagine? I am feeling tired and I'm just walking around with the camera. Just imagine Sally has to do all this and keep this all pretty and nice. And can you imagine me tired and just walking around and be tired? Yeah. Look. These are some nice edges as well. I've done a few videos, guys. You can see if you don't see anything here, you can look. You can always catch up. You can always catch up. So you see her rose bushes. See the rose bush. Orchid as usual. I think I need a cup of tea now. Ooh, I think I need a cup of tea now. Anyway, from Donna's garden to Sally's garden, I think you probably just get a few, not everything. See her succulents. That one that bloomed and then it closed up and then it looked like it can drop off. Can you imagine? It like it bloom and then fall right off. What kind of madness is that? Isn't it? The June roses, they're pretty. And these, I forget the name of these now, are roses. And we're gonna finish with the sunflower, which is, of course, beauty. Beauty. I'm going to get myself, look at that. I'm gonna get myself some cup of tea now. Nice plants in here. Let me go get myself a piece of mint. I'm gonna break a piece of mint and make some mint tea. Get a piece of mint tea. Get a piece of mint to make some tea. So normally Oh, something went in there. You have to wash when you break it. You have to wash. Make sure so you wash. Just a little bit of mint. I break that. Just gonna wash that now and make my cup of tea. So I hope you enjoyed the little tour. I hope you enjoy the tour, guys. As I said, it's a massive, massive garden, massive tour. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let me leave you with this nice, beautiful roses. Right? That's Sally's garden.